Hope you all are doing well. Children, I'm going to continue with exercise 12.2 of chapter 12, factorization of class 8. Okay, coming to the third question, we have to work out with the following division, and the first part is we have to divide this algebraic expression 10x minus 25 by 5. Okay, so let's see how to do it. Okay, it is 10x minus 25 upon 5. Okay, so 10 can be written as 2 into 5 into x minus 25 can be written as 5 into 5, isn't it? Upon 5. So children, you can see that at least 5 is common to both the terms of this algebraic expression. So we will take this 5 as common, one of the 5 from both the terms common. Then we are left with 2x in the first term minus 5 in the second term upon 5. And this 5 and this 5 will get cancelled. Okay. So the result is 2x minus 5. Okay, so in the second part we have to divide 10x minus 25 by 2x minus 5. Okay. These are very simple division. Okay, only you have to take out the common factors and you can divide it. Okay, see, 10x can be written as 2 into 5 into x minus 25 can be written as 5 into 5 upon here 2x upon 2x minus 5. See children, here 1 5 and in the second term also 1 5 is common. So at least 1 5 can be taken as common. Okay. So now we are left with 2x minus 5 upon 2x minus 5. Okay. So they are the same terms, they can be cancelled. Okay. So we are left with 5. So the solution, the result of this division is 5. In the third part, we have to divide 10y in bracket 6y plus 21 by 5 multiplied by 2y plus 7. Let's see how to do 10y in bracket 6y plus 21 upon 5 and this is 2y plus 7. Okay. So first we'll take out the common factor if it is there. So 6y can be written as 3 into 2y plus 27 can be written as 3 into 7 upon 2y plus 7. Okay. Now this 3 is common to both the terms of this algebraic expression. So 3 can be taken as common. So I will be taking 3 as the common factor and then we are left with 2y in the first term and 7 in the second term upon 5 2y plus 7. Okay children, now this will get cancelled, 2y plus 7, 2y plus 7 will get cancelled and this 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Okay. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10 and this is 3 twos are 6y. So the result is your 6y. The fourth part, we have to divide 9x square y square in bracket 3z minus 24 divided by 27xy in bracket z minus 8. So let's see how to do 9x square y square. It's in bracket 3z minus 24 upon 27xy z minus 8. First we'll take out the common factors, then we will cancel if it is possible. Okay. So let's see 9x square y square. See children, in this 3z and 24 can be written as 3 into 8, isn't it? Upon 27xy z minus 8. Now 3 can be taken common. Okay. So x square y square into 3 and we are left with z minus 8. Okay. Now upon 27xy z minus 8. Whatever we can cancel, we have to cancel. Z minus 8 will get cancelled and here 9 ones are 9, 9 threes are 27, and 3 ones are 3. Okay, and then we are left with x square y square upon xy. Okay, so either you can just cancel it, 1 you can cancel, and we are left with xy, or according to the laws of exponent, when the base are same and there is a division, operation of division is applied, then the powers get subtracted. Okay, and so we get the result as x y. The fifth part is a bit longer. The question is so long, so you must all be terrified. Oh, such a long question. Okay, so doesn't matter. Okay, it is so easy. First we have to just take out the common factors. Okay, 3a minus 12 multiplied by 5b minus 30 divided by 144 into a minus 4 into b minus 6. The first thing is that we will take out the common factors. Okay, so 9, 6, a, b, c. 12 can be written as 3 into 4, isn't it? And 30 can be written as 6 into 5. Okay, now here if we have taken 12 as 3 into 4, so you can see that 3 is present in both the terms, so we will take 3 as common. Okay, nothing else, no, neither any other term, constant or variable, we can see it's common, so only 3 is there, so we will take 3 as common. So now we are left with, in the first term we are left with a, and in the second term we are left with 4, because this 3 has been taken as common. Similarly, in this 6 into 5, 30 can be written as 6 into 5, so we can see that 5 is common to both the terms, so we will take 5 as common, and we are left with b minus 6 upon 144, a minus 4, b minus 6. Okay, this 5 into 3 you can write it here, 96 into 3 is 50, a, b, c upon 144, and rest you can see a minus 4 will get cancelled, b minus 6 will get cancelled. Okay, now we will see that it will be cancelled. Hello children, back to the video in a second, but before that I want to inform you all that I am taking online classes also. So if you are really liking my videos and you are okay with the explanation, so you can join the Telegram group of mine. The link is given in the description. Thanks. Okay, it will go by 16 6 are 96, and it will go by 16 9s are 144. Okay, then 15 6 are 90, 90 upon 9, a, b, c. 9 1s are 9, 9 10s are 90. So we get the result as 10, a, b, c. Okay children, if you are fine with the explanation, okay, then kindly, even if you have not subscribed the channel, then kindly subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the like button.